What going on YouTube, bro? It's NexGenMatt.
What up?
I'm here with the folks. I'm here with the folks.
Hey!
Andy, oh shit, hold on. Let me get the mic out. All right, who we got today?
India.
Type shit. Who we got next? Go ahead, talk your shit.
Lil Noonie.
Type shit. Go ahead, talk your shit, Robert. You know you got a mic, nigga. Yeah. Huh?
I should have a mic. I'm EA.
Yeah, they're EA now. They're locked in, nigga. You know what we doing, bro. It's my first car meet, bro. So you know we finna.
That nigga happy as fuck.
All right, we finna tee out, nigga. I'm not happy for that nigga. Nigga finna pee on herself. Nigga, Indy.
I'm hard. My dick hard right now. Yeah. Right,
that's fucking gross, nigga. Now put that shit the fuck in.
Hey, you
nigga, this shit teed. Come on, let rock. Hey. Oh yeah, this shit teed up.
People walking this way. Yeah.
Nigga, I'ma keep y'all tuned, bro. I'm not finna waste no battery today. No battery. Let's rock. Ugly.
Do that shit again.
Oh yeah, I'm getting cancer.
Weed on that shit.
I'm most definitely gonna get cancer from this shit. Hold on, I need my camera to be focused. Lock in, baby, lock in. Nah, shit.
India funny as fuck. This nigga started rapping India and got scared.
You supposed to be locked in, nigga.
India jumped out her boobs.
Oh shit, the EA member, the one and the only, our fucking Tank, Fat Brown, type shit.
Oh my god.
Oh yeah, we teed up today. Ooh, shit. Yeah, come on. Damn. That's some OG music, nigga. Y'all don't know what the fuck that is.
What we talking about?
What this is? God damn, you can't even see it. It's Batman. That's a bet. That's a goddamn.
What we talking about?
Shit, what we talking about, bro?
What are we talking about?
Tight shit. You got the magnet on that bitch?
Yeah.
Okay.
No.
Look at her keeping it with my fault, fam.
Always prepared.
Nigga, what are we doing? Hold on, I gotta wait. He ain't read that shit.
Just make sure you say big facts. Big facts.
Damn, Barbie. Are y'all gonna read this shit? Like, we just walked all the way over here, nigga. Right. We ain't walk over here for nothing, nigga. Y'all better show us something.
On my soul.
Oh yeah, he finna do that shit. Oh yeah. Nigga, he didn't even do nothing. They talking about weight loss steady. You trying to call me big bag or some shit, nigga? I thought my body looked quite nice. God damn, you better read that shit. That shit better be talking about something. Talking about that shit about my big back homies. How you hit the damn, Barbie?
Hold on.
Barbie, show you how you hit the damn real quick.
Let me put my mic up real quick.
Oh yeah, she finna fuck it up. Oh yeah. Oh shit, my shit getting blurry. My shit's getting blurry. Damn. I just fucked your bitch with some Gucci flip flop. What he said? Yo, I'm about to zone already. He said we got purple activists. I thought it was a drought.
My toe, baby.
Bitch, I'ma choose a dirty over you. You know I ain't scared to lose. Or the money thing you telling the truth. I'm about to be rather than rude. Ooh, be sexy.
They turn that shit down.
Nigga, y'all blaming shit.
They hating.
They ain't talking about that, bro. That was that one card that I showed y'all.
Nigga was majestic as fuck.
Nigga, these niggas are not. You finna rev it?
Yeah, it's time to go.
You said time to go?
The coppers are here.
That's at 12?
Yeah.
Time to go.
12. But everybody just turn their car off.
12.
That's it. Oh, that's crazy.
12. You give a fuck about no damn 12? You give a fuck about that 12?
Hell no, nigga.
Yeah, no, I ain't give a fuck about that damn 12. I don't got a car, nigga.
Damn, he short of fuck.
I was just walking.
Oh, that's a little kid.
Bro, stop.
Alright, I'm sorry.
Bro,
Sorry.
They finna come up. They just calling everybody in.
Man, that is a little ass nigga.
Y'all go stream Pink Friday 2 by Nicki Minaj, period.
They can't do nothing about nobody just sitting there.
Come on, whoop, whoop, whoop. Look at that.
And this is my jurisdiction.
I mean, shut your ass up. Nigga, Fat Brown, a police officer, man. He's going to school and everything, nigga. Oh, y'all niggas ain't talking about shit. Y'all niggas ain't talking about shit. These niggas ain't talking about nothing, man.
On my soul.
Oh shit, hold on. It might sound a little pretty. What that is? You finna read that motherfucker? Hell no. These niggas ain't talking about nothing. What are we doing? What are we doing? Oh yeah, the Dooney. The Dooney. I don't care, this shit hard.
Oh God.
I like, oh yeah.
Drive it. Oh, bitch.
It's got a GTA car.
That bitch he do got a GTA car for real. That nigga look like he was finna jump off a damn building with that bitch.
Well, Cricket?
Shit taking maximum impact. Maximum impact.
That is.
That bitch finna blow up!
That shit just broke down.
Start that shit up. Oh yeah. Him. Oh shit!
Hey, Nudie got scared.
Oh shit! Shit finna blow up. That bitch sound like that shit was finna blow the fuck up. I didn't know what to think. You gonna read that shit again? Do that shit again, gang? You ain't gonna do it again. You ain't gonna do it again. Nigga got me lit, got me excited, got me walking over here looking like a dumbass. Ugh. India, what you said?
A Dugan? Fucking the Dugan. Where the bitches with the Dugan?
Where that at? Who gon' say that monkey? Ooh, too many bitches. Where they niggas at? No, I'm playing.
That shit twerking.
Twink. That bitch got that. Hey, that bitch got that shit got the duty in it by itself. Oh yeah, she T.
I like the way that shit looks. What up, little niggas?
I like the way you move. I like the way you move. Oh shit. She finna fuck that shit up.
About to hit your butt.
What the fuck are we doing? It's about to get deep. Girl, shut up.
Ooh, they still in? Turn that shit off, bro. You on the cover?
My bad, y'all. My fault. my fault. I'll chill out. Anybody else like girls with muscle cars? Or is that just me? Anybody else rock? Ooh, shit. Ooh, shit. It's this one right here. No. Damn.
No, thank you.
Oh yeah, that's that damn buggy. That damn buggy.
Type shit.
Damn.
Mexicans got money.
Do a wheelie in that bitch. That nigga ain't doing a wheelie in that big ass thing. That nigga ain't doing a wheelie in that big ass Beetle.
She can't ride with me. Hell no.
He talking about something. No, thank
She
you.
ain't got ass. I don't want this man.
No, thank you.
Woo!
Make it in, boy. I gotta get the goddamn. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Shit! This shit got my ears hurting, nigga. That shit got my ears hurting. You hear it? You hear it?
Hey, bro, get mad.
Oh, say to God. Oh, say to God. Shit!
Excuse me.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Why you so blessed you can?
I can't hear, but it was worth it. Okay, run that shit. Do that shit. Do that shit, boy. Do that shit, boy. Ooh, shit.
What you want? You hear me? Hell yeah, dude. Hey, you funny as fuck.
Where the fuck they at? Where the fuck they at?
I don't know.
Oh shit, come on over here. Come on over here. Come on. Shit.
Excuse me.
Oh yeah, y'all ain't ready for that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'm trying to see a fucking engine blow up.
Yeah, I'll look for y'all.
I'm saying, I was like, who the fuck are you talking? Oh shit!
Hey.
What's her name?
You good? You thought it was somebody else? He said this is a push your head. I'm talking some nigga. Oh yeah, read that shit. Read that shit, what? Woo! Shit! Oh shit!
Hit my ear.
I felt that in my ass. God damn, that shit made me throw. That shit almost made me throw up. God damn.
Hey, Matt funny as fuck. I felt that shit in my ass.
Anybody else thought that was sexy, or was that just me, bro?
You man.
Shit was sexy.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was. Ooh, shit. Ooh, shit. Brother, come on, nigga. Come on, let go.
We out.
Run, nigga. Run. Shit, it's the same one. Oh, you ain't ready for that shit? Hold on, wait for that bit to focus. Oh, shit. Bobby, what you gotta say? What you gotta say, Bobby?
Hey, bro, my ears popping, nigga.
Oh, shit.
My ears popping.
I can feel the cancer.
Oh God! Oh my God!
I can feel the cancer, bro.
Hey!
I can feel the cancer, bro. Oh shit! This gotta be equivalent to smoking 30 cigarettes at one time. This gotta be equivalent. This why car. Oh shit! This shit is equivalent to smoking 30 cigarettes at one time. I can feel the cancer in my lungs.
Bruh.
Hey, nigga, what?
Oh God.
I accidentally
Mouth wide
I
open
breathed
and
too hard
shit.
trying to yell.
Bro, oh God, mouth open is wide as fuck.
Hey, that shit was fine, but you gonna have to run my way. Another location? Oh yeah, this shit loud. This shit finna get wicked. Oh, everybody done got quiet. Let's go ahead and leave, y'all.
Bruh.
Come on, bro. I'm not worried about no cops. I didn't drive today. Ugly. Oh shit, carbon.
That shit hard.
Carbon fiber. Ooh, can I touch it? Ooh, don't talk to me like that. Bitch just start screaming. Ooh, baby girl, stop talking to me like that.
Hey, bro.
Lick that hood. It'd be weird if I lick it.
Hey, nigga. You more freaky ass nigga.
Damn, my bad. I thought it was.
It might be a tad bit.
Tad bit. Free nasty, be nasty ass nigga. Oh shit, where the fuck Barbie go?
Hey,
Oh shit,
up,
Barbie.
nigga.
Free nasty, be nasty ass. Damn.
Hey.
Hold the fuck on.
Check the back. He got some crazy shit on.
Where the dude at? We need to interview that nigga. Oh shit. Y'all think I'll drink that bitch and make me fast?
Yeah.
You sure? How would you know? Somebody did already?
It's
Hell no.
chemicals.
I'll drink that bitch
It's
and get
chemicals.
fast.
It's gonna say don't fucking drink.
That shit is, huh?
Don't drink.
I'm gonna drink that bitch. And Turbo drunk it in that snail movie. And Turbo could drink it in the snail movie. Why the fuck I can't?
Snails are nasty.
I'm nasty too. Oh shit! Stop talking to me like that, baby girl. Move, nigga. Oh shit! I wanna go smell it. I wanna go smell it.
Hey, Hey, oh God, we gonna die. Why are there children out here? Shit!
Shit! I'm finna go hop on. Oh shit! Look at the road. Look at that shit. Ooh shit! That long ass flatbread. That long ass flatbread he got. That nigga doing his shit. He doing his damn due diligence in that bitch.
You ever make a swear?
Yeah, nigga! Oh, shit! Ah, shit!
They snapped to the car. They want to die.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I was it. Nigga, it's just the ambulance. It's just the ambulance. It's just the ambulance. We good. Ain't nobody died yet.
Where the hell Matt at?
Woo! Shit, that nigga was driving sideways. Yeah, shit.
Where is Matt?
It's running.
Huh? Hey, going on, nigga? Nigga, I got the perfect. I'm gonna jump on top of that bitch. Oh God, I'm gonna jump on top of that motherfucker.
Hey, this nigga tweaking on my soul.
I ain't gonna miss you, baby girl. I ain't gonna miss you.
My ears.
Ooh, shit.
Never gonna be able to hear. Gonna miss you. Ever.
Ooh, shit. Oh yeah. Y'all see this shit? He about to rev the fuck out this motherfucker. Line that shit up, boy. Who finna line up with him? I won't. I got a Chevy Sonic LT. That's a big sexy bitch right there. That's a big sexy.
No fucking way.
Hold on, let me put the mic on for real.
I was like, who the fuck is that?
All in the back of that video.
She finna rap this bitch for wide. Y'all here? Save it recording. Come on, read this shit.
Bro, Matt ass funny as fuck.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Nigga, I thought he was finna rev it. Bitch, wanna rev it, pussy? No. Come on, rev it, nigga, rev it. What the fuck that mean? That shit started kind of sexy. I don't even know what the fuck it mean.
Calm y'all hard ass down.
Oh, nigga, you don't know hard, nigga.
Nah.
You seen one girl butt, nigga, tough. Niggas rock.
You feel me? Where she at?
Get your bit freaky ass
All right,
up.
my bad.
You facing the camera now.
That's the point.
Turn around, give me a 360.
Oh, God.
Give me a 360 for the camera.
On me.
Oh shit. Finna mock. Oh damn. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. That shit, run it up. Run that shit. Hold on, flip the camera back so you can see.
Oh shit.
Flip the camera back so you can see.
Okay.
We're here. We're live at the famous car meet. Run over here. Come on.
Nothing's over here, man.
Well,
Dumbass nigga.
I'm sorry. ain't heard it. I ain't heard the noise. I heard the click, tackle, pop. What are we doing? Oh yeah, he finna do it.
He about to do it.
He ain't finna do that shit. We finna see that again. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Woo! Shit. Woo! Shit. I got the camera crew out here, man. Y'all know what we doing, man. Y'all know what we doing. Shit get shut down though. Woo! You hear it? Hear that big bitch popping back there? God damn. I ain't talking about nothing. Press that record shit. Them niggas ain't. Shit. Shit. Damn, girl, what's up, man? Shit. Nigga, that truck talking about.
That truck ain't talking about nothing.
Oh yeah. That shit getting kinky.
Bruh.
This shit getting kinky.
Alright, who's gonna spin that shit?
You finna read that shit?
Her shit right there.
No, on one guy. What are we doing? Oh shit? They doing shit over there? Yeah, no they not. No they not. I know they not.
Caleb already. Hey, what if that car just backed up?
Oh shit, my fault, man. Woo, shit. Come on, boy. I got my camera out. Let's go.
Yeah, they do.
Let's go. Let's go.
We out.
Where? Oh, oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Somebody just got. Nah, that's no. Shit.
Hey, that shit.
Top tier night, nigga. Top tier night, nigga. That shit was tough.
No way that nigga just got hit. That's funny as fuck.
Top tier.
Nice little skate route. Nice little skate
A nice little skate route.
Tight.
Fat Brown done done this before, ain't that right, Brown? That nigga straight face as fuck.
That nigga.
Shit.
No game.
Run that shit, Brown. Oh yeah, that nigga pussy. Oh yeah, he ain't doing shit. He ain't doing shit.
Yeah, they don't even know who's over there.
They ain't even know. Talking about, damn, what happened over there?
Oh, man, they talking about on your ass, talking about something. I feel they bit in my ass.
Nigga, bro, what the fuck? That shit popped so damn hard. Shit almost made me
Nah, I
too.
felt that shit in mine.
Nigga, that shit
That shit
popped so hard. That shit made me almost two.
Nigga.
Almost let it two.
Pissed
God damn.
Bruh, somebody really got hit.
Pissed. And I'm hungry.
That's some girl. That's some girl shit.
We gonna quit her?
Yeah, they can't. That's some girl shit. I'm like, were you there, sir? What are you talking about?
Okay, what do you mean by that?
Talking about, was I where? Right, is it because I'm black? Lame man, nigga.
You got a little sport.
What's going on in the car? Fat Bear, how was your night?
That's good.
Tight shit. How was your night?
This shit was cool.
Tight shit.
Yeah,
Good night.
Amazing.
Tight shit.
That shit was cool as fuck. That shit was fun.
Tight shit. Look, man, the night was tough. Night was tough as fuck. I'm not gonna lie. It's blowing out hot air.
See that nigga get hit by that car?
That nigga was on the ground when I looked at him.
Somebody got hit by a car.
Nigga right beside
I should have got that on film. I would have been laughing at that nigga. He would have been mad as hell at me. But nah, cool little car meet, man. Man, y'all just stay tuned, bro. Y'all just gotta stay tuned. It's finna get wicked. Had to leave a little early. You know, you seen 12 out there, man. We just seen a literal car chase past the quick trip. Oh yeah. Fat Brown shit move. Fat Brown gonna have some footage with my cam too one of these days, man. You know, anyways, that's NexGenMatt, aka Matt Walker, and yeah.